Well, guys, good morning all. Can you hear me? Akram, Ashish, Bhavana.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning all. Shall we start the class? Is anyone joined today? Is anyone joined today? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Shidi, good morning. Is
Good
anyone-
morning, sir.
Yeah. Morning, good morning. Is anyone joined today? Sujan, good morning.
Good morning, Sai.
Let's start the class. Today I will extend the session up to 9:30. So yesterday we created what? One account. And also we were discussed about the basic vocabulary. What is app, what is tab, what is a subject, what is field, what is data, and what is record. Is all of you understand all these points? Hello.
Yes, Sai.
Yes, sir.
So yesterday what we discussed? I think this is the one what we discussed yesterday. Sir, no? Right?
About versions.
Till here.
No, sir, we
Okay.
have not discussed this.
Sandbox.
No, sir.
You
No,
told that
Sandbox.
you will discuss the roles and responsibilities.
SDLC. Today we are going to discuss SDLC, Sandbox. We
Production.
discussed.
Environment.
Yes, edition. Yes,
Salesforce versions, Salesforce edition,
yes,
Salesforce
environment.
environments,
Yeah. Till
Yes.
here.
responsibilities of system administrator. Good. Yesterday we were discussed about
Sandbox environments and 3 types of sandbox.
environment of Salesforce.
Yes.
First one,
Sandbox environment.
sandbox environment. And the second one,
Production environment.
production environment. Sandbox environment means it is purely development environment. We have 3 types of sandboxes.
Configuration.
Someone need to mute guys. Configuration sandbox. Developers sandbox
Full copy sandbox.
and full copy sandbox. Configuration sandbox, developer sandbox, and full copy sandbox. So after sandbox, after completion of development, we need to move the application from sandbox to production. In the production environment means it is a client's environment. Client's environment where client and the client's employees are using the application. I can say it is purely SaaS environment. I can say it is purely SaaS environment. But at the client place, There is another employee always sitting here. That person we can call him as super user or system administrator. Super user or system administrator. System administrator is a person who is always sitting at the production place. He is a person. First, I'm going to discuss about roles and responsibilities of some administrator. First one, he is a person creating the user accounts, create the users, creating the roles, and what is this? He is a person granting privileges. What is the meaning of granting? Granting means giving. Privilege means permission. Granting the privileges, revoke the privileges, he is a person performing data management operations. That is data import and export. Import means importing the data from external systems to Salesforce. Export means exporting the data from Salesforce to external systems using some tools which is given by Salesforce. That is called data import wizard. And the second one is called what? Data loader. Data import wizard and data loader. Using these two tools, system administrator can perform import and export operations. All of you follows. And also, he is a person performing data automations and approvals using some tools like first one,
Workflows.
workflows. Second one,
Process.
process builder. And recently came one more thing here.
Flows.
That is what? Flow builder. We have tool process. Using these two or using these four tools, we can perform data automations and approvals. And the sixth one, data analysis. That is reports and dashboards. Seventh one, most important thing, most important job of system administrator, data security. Data security. First one, org level security, then app level security, app level security, object level security, field level security, record level security, on record level security, we have OWDs, organization-wide defaults, role hierarchies,
Shares.
sharing rules,
Manual.
manual sharing. And also we discussed about we will discuss about permission sets also. And we have something like public groups. So these are all what? These are all data security. Understand? Org level, app level, tab level, object level, field level, record level. On record level, we have so many things. OWDs, role hierarchies, sharing rules, manual sharing, permission sets. Okay. And also what is this? Public groups. So these are the things we are going to discuss in data security aspects. So these are the roles and responsibilities of system administrator. Okay, guys, all of you understand? Hello. Guys, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Next.
So data analysis also admin can do.
Yeah,
Sai,
admin only, there is admin's responsibility. Generating
so data
reports.
analysis they do through
Generating
Tableau
data reports.
or
Generating reports and dashboards. This analyst is different, data analyst is different. He's not purely data analyst. He's just generating reports and dashboards for the high level management people. Additional.
Okay.
Understand?
Sure, sir. Yeah.
So the next topic. So as of now, we discuss about versions of Salesforce, editions of Salesforce, environments of Salesforce, Salesforce partners. Sir, no. These are the topics in the last class we discussed. The next topic, what I'm going to discuss is MVC. Does anyone know about MVC? What does MVC stands for?
The model view controller.
Very good. Model
View controller.
controller is a three-tier architecture. Understand all of you? What is this? It's a three-tier architecture. Or I can say it's a three layers. The first layer, view, middle one, controller. Last one is what here? Model. Understand the point here. End user always sitting in front of the view. Through view, end user is going to insert the data. Whatever data end user inserts on view. View means user interface. View means what here? User interface. Whatever data he feeds into user interface, the data goes to controller and then controller interconnect with what here? Decode. Model. Understand the point here. Again, the end user is going to fetch the data from the model. Data fetching from the model and goes to controller and then controller connecting with what? View. It's a bidirection. Data will flow towards right side data will flow towards left side also. So this is how data will flow. Like that, we have three levels or three types of architecture here. The view layer can be called as a presentation layer. What is this? Presentation layer. The controller can be called as business logic layer. And the model can be called as what? Database layer. My point is clear now. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So like that, it is a three-tier architecture. Almost every technology follows MVC architecture only. Not only Salesforce. Java follows MVC architecture. .NET follows MVC architecture. Python follows MVC architecture. Like that, every technology follows MVC architecture. Understand everyone? Hello.
Yes,
Can I
sir.
clear this point? Very good.
Yes, sir.
Now, so with respect to Salesforce, I'm going to discuss about MVC architecture. First, let me start with model. That is a bottom layer. Model is a bottom layer. That is a database layer. In the model, we have two compartments. Okay. The first one, schema compartment. The second one, what is this? Instance. Schema contains apps, objects, fields, relationships, like what is this? Self relationship, lookup, master detail, many to many, roll up summary.
Relation should be joins, right?
No, join is different.
Okay.
Join is different. Join is a database concept. Roll up summary, hierarchical relationship, and also page layouts and record types. Like so many points we will discuss in where? In schema part under model. And coming to instance part, it's data, or I can say records. Data and records both are comes under what? Instance part. Next, coming to controller. In the controller, it's completely based on development. Here. Section handling, assertions, annotations, hoops, exception handling, assertions, annotations, database concepts like SOQL, SOSL, email commands, then after collections, that is list, set, and what? Map. After that, we have something like controllers. We have 6 types of controllers. The first one is called standard controller. Second one, custom controller, standard set controller, Standard list controller, list controller, standard set controller, and extension controller. Hello. Point clear.
Yes.
So after that, we will discuss about interfaces, schedule apex, batch apex, triggers, and also we will discuss about in view part. We are going to discuss about visual force. What is it? Visual force. It's a markup language. So these are the topics we will cover in syllabus, guys. This comes under model part. All these topics are comes under controller part, development. That is why development takes more time, because we have a lot of topics under development and visual force. That is also part of development on view part. It is clear, everyone, what we are going to cover in MVC?
Sir.
Hello. Is all of you had your breakfast? So guys, is all of you had your breakfast? Be active in the class. Understand, everyone?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes,
you
sir.
will discuss even this lightning also, or just
Yeah,
visual?
lightning. Actually, see, guys, we have a concept name is called user experience. What is it?
User
User
experience.
experience. User experience means we can develop application in two modes. The first one is called, we can develop the application in two modes. The first one is called classic mode. The second one is called
Lightning mode.
lightning mode. Classic mode is an old style. Lightning mode. Lightning mode. Lightning mode is a new style.
What is the difference between classic mode and lightning?
Yeah, classic mode follows MVC. Lightning mode follows what? SPA. What is the difference between SPA and MVC? We will discuss later. This is not the right time to discuss about this, because you people are getting confused unnecessarily. SPA stands for single page application. Is it? Single page application. Point clear? Hello. So both will discuss in your syllabus. Classic mode and as well as what? Lightning mode. Okay. Fine. The next topic, what I'm going to discuss is how to create an account in what? Speak out. Salesforce. How to create an account in Salesforce. Understand? Look at this, all of you, and try to understand. You want to create the account in Salesforce. If you want to create the account in Salesforce, you need to type developer.force.com. What we need to type? Developer.force.com. Extreme top right side, we can see what is this? Sign up. Click on sign up. Here we can see sign up for your Salesforce Developer Edition. A full-featured copy of the platform for free. First name, last name, email ID, role, company name, country, postal code, username. All these things are there here. First name. What is the first name? Let me give Salesforce. Salesforce training. Email ID. Let me give the email ID. We have to give the valid email ID, guys. Why? Because you will receive the SMS. Sorry, you will receive the mail from Salesforce company. There you can set your password. That is why we have to give the valid email ID over here. And what is your job? Developer job. And what is the company name? You can give any company name, guys. You can give any company name, whether this company is existed or not existed, no problem. Nobody will cross it. I given the company name as DS, means DURGASOFT. Country, that is in India. Postal code 123456. And username. You can give any username, guys. Like SF training. Salesforce training @ds.com. Salesforce training @ds.com. Okay. SF training @ds.com. Click on sign me up. So almost there. Please check your email to confirm your account. Okay, let me check the email. Please wait, guys. It takes some time to get the mail. Please wait. See, developer @salesforce.com. Welcome to Salesforce. Got the information. So what is the username? SF training @ds.com. Okay. And we need to click on what button? Come on, all of you. Verify account.
Button.
If you click on verify account, So here we have to specify change password. So this is how we can create the account. Now we entered into Salesforce environment. So this is the Salesforce Lightning environment. Look at the URL, all of you. lightning.force.com. Understand? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the Lightning
Yes.
environment. So all of you understand how to create the account in Salesforce? Easy or difficult? The way how you
Easy.
create the account
Very
in
easy,
Gmail,
sir.
the way how you create the account in Gmail, same way we can create the account in Salesforce. Someone need to mute, guys. I'm getting some noise. Thank you. Did you understand? Did you can hear me?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand? Good. So for that, what we have to do, where we have to go? In the URL developer.force.com. We need to type this. Next point. Next point. Before we dive into Salesforce environment, we should know about some important words. We should know about some important buzzwords, I can say. These are, I can say, basic vocabulary. In what? We got Salesforce. What is the basic vocabulary here? First one, tab, that's object, field, data, and record. So these are the important words that you need to understand first before we enter into Salesforce environment. So let me start with app. What is the meaning of an app? App is a word. It is not a new word for you. Yes or no? Once you open your mobile, we can see a lot of apps. App means what? Application. So short name is app, full name is application. What is the meaning of an application? Tell me, guys, what is the meaning of an application? What is the meaning of an app? Hello?
Any software which we are using
Which you are using what? For what purpose?
for any purpose.
Tell me, being a layman, I'm asking you, in what way can explain me what is the exact meaning of an app?
For example, Google Pay, Gmail,
Okay, using Google Pay, what we can do?
for transferring money.
Okay.
Money.
And also we can balance. Yes or no?
Yes,
And
yes.
also we can pay the bills, either
The
electricity
bills, recharge,
or any
recharge,
mobile bills.
shopping,
Or no? Like that.
online shopping.
So a lot of options is there, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Like that. Suppose we take the example of BookMyShow app. One? BookMyShow app. In this BookMyShow app, or using this BookMyShow app, what we can do? What we can do? We can book the tickets, yes or no?
We can book the tickets.
Online tickets. Yesterday I already told you regarding this. Time of integration application, I told you what is BookMyShow app. I remember all of you. Yes or no? Using BookMyShow application, we can book the tickets to online. Suppose I want to go to a movie. If I want to go to a movie, I need to open what? BookMyShow application. If I open the BookMyShow application, it will show all the list of what is this? Speak out. Please. Yes or no? Speak out, all of you. myshow.com. So this is the site. Okay. Here we can see what popular cities. View all cities. Mumbai, Gurgaon, Noida, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Chandigarh, Chennai, Pune, Kolkata, Kochi. Understand? These are all what? List of cities or not? Speak out.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
It is
Yes, sir.
showing list of cities. Now I click on what? Hyderabad. If I click on Hyderabad, then it will show all the list of movies or not.
Yes.
These are the movies.
Which are
All language movies. Which Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Bengali, Malayalam, Marathi, Punjabi. These are all what? List of movies. Hello. Jurassic Park. So I want to go to this movie. On Jurassic Park. Okay. Then it is going to show which language you want to see this movie. English or Hindi or Tamil. Yes. Book tickets. English. 3D, 2D, HD, 4D something. 4D, 3D language. Okay. Then what is this? List of theaters. Or no? What is this?
list of
Oramal,
theaters.
Sinamal, Kukatpalli. 4DX. Okay. Ramanjil, Hyderabad. So these are what? List of theaters. Now tell me, once I open this particular site or once I open this particular application, it is showing all the list of cities. Also, it is showing all the list of
List of theaters.
or no, and also it is showing all the list of
Time.
show timings. It is showing all the list of okay movies
Mm.
or no,
Actors.
and also it
Languages.
is showing the tickets availability for a particular movie.
Movie languages.
Movie languages. There are so many options are there. Yes, sir. Tell me, each and every one. Everybody, please mute, guys. I'm getting some noise around you. Don't make noise. See here, like that. List of cities. I can say it is service number 1. List of theaters showing service number 2. Show timings, service number 3. List of movies, service number 4. List of tickets availability, that is what? Service number 5. Like that, collection of all the services included in where? BookMyShow application. That is why application can be defined as collection of or group of what? Services can be called as what? An application. My point is clear now. Hello, guys.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
collection of or group of services can be called as an application. But with respect to Salesforce, application means collection of tabs which provides some, what is this? Functionality. This is the definition of an application with respect to what? Salesforce. Everyone understand the point? Me, Sujan, and rest of
Yes.
all the people in the class. Collection of tabs which provide some functionality is known as what? As an application. In Salesforce, SF stands for Salesforce, we have 2 types of applications. We have 2 types of what? First type of application. First type of application is called standard application. The second one is called what here? Custom application. What is standard application? What is custom application? Standard application means it is given by whom here? Speak out. Salesforce. Custom application means it is created by whom? Developer.
Developers.
As per the client's requirement or client's need. Can be called as custom application. Like that, in Salesforce, applications are broadly divided into two types: standard applications and custom applications. Standard applications means it is given by Salesforce. Custom application means it is created by developer as per the client's requirement. Understand? The examples on standard applications are marketing application, sales application, service application, like content application. Like these are all the applications that comes under what category? Standard applications. I will show you right now. So this is the app menu. Look at this. What is the application name here? Read it, all of you. What is the application name? Everybody, please read it.
Content.
Hello, can you hear me?
Content.
Yes, sir.
Content. Why you're taking this much of time to tell this answer? I'm asking a difficult question or what? Please read this word. What is this?
Content.
Content.
Be active in the class, guys. Don't sit idle. Click on drop-down list. Read it, all of you. What is this?
Sales.
Sales.
Service.
Sales,
Marketing.
Marketing.
app,
Community. Site.
Okay, what are all these? These are all apps.
app.
These are all apps. Sales, service, marketing, content, app launcher. These are all what apps? All these apps can be called as what? All these
Standard
apps can be
application.
called as what? Standard applications. Understand, everyone? Bhavana? Akram Ali?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
The next one is called custom applications. Custom application means this is the application created by developer as per the business requirement or client requirement. That can be called as what? Custom app. Understand, all of you? Example, you can give any name. DURGASOFT Solutions. DURGASOFT Solutions. Understand, all of you? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
DURGASOFT Solutions or ABC company. You can give any name. You can give any name. Your wish, because it is created by whom here? Developer.
Any
Okay.
education institute.
Any name you can give, no problem. Okay. Next, coming to tab. What is the meaning of tab? Generally, what is the meaning of tab? Tell me. Look at the screen, all of you. Tell me, right now I'm in which application?
WhatsApp application.
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp application. Now here,
Zoom.
Zoom.
application. This is
Salesforce development.
Salesforce.
Salesforce development. Yes or no? This
Yes.
is
Yes.
Gmail.
Gmail tab.
email. This is
Salesforce.
Salesforce Classic.
this is Micro application.
Myself.
Oh, my.
Micro application. Yes or no? There are so many applications running at a time. If I drag the mouse pointer on the plus symbol, what is the message you got?
New tab.
Tab.
New tab.
If I click on new tab, I can move from Bookmachine application to Google application. Yes or no?
Yes.
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 Means that if I click on tab, it connects me to what?
Different
Me too.
applications.
Some other page. Yes or no? It's called what? A tab. So in Salesforce, tabs are divided into how many types? Two types. What is the first one?
Standard.
Standard tab.
Custom tab.
Custom tab.
Okay.
What is standard tab?
Given by
Which is
Salesforce.
provided by Salesforce.
Huh?
The tab which is provided by Salesforce.
Any tab which is given by Salesforce is called what? Standard tab. Example,
Account,
campaigns,
Campaign.
leads,
Leads.
account,
Count.
contacts,
contacts,
Sales.
opportunities. These are all what? Standard tabs. Yes or no? All the tab names, if you observe, every tab name is a plural name. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It's all plural names only. Observe. Campaigns, leads, accounts, contacts, opportunities. These are all what? Plural names. Observe carefully here. Charter, libraries, content, subscriptions, open sales application. Under sales application, everybody please read this. They're all tabs.
Home
Home,
chatter.
charter, campaigns,
Home,
Campaign.
chatter, campaigns, lead,
accounts,
account,
Accounts.
contacts,
opportunities,
Opportunities.
forecast,
forecast,
contracts,
orders,
orders,
Cases,
cases,
Cases.
solutions,
Products.
reports and
reports,
dashboards.
dashboards.
They're all what?
Tabs.
Tabs. These are all tabs. Yes or no? Every
Yes,
tab
sir.
is a plural name or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Every tab is a plural name. That's it. So these are all the tabs which is given by Salesforce. Okay. Next, custom tab means what?
Developers.
Developers.
Custom tab means it
Developer.
is created by developer.
Created
Yes
by
or no?
developer.
Any tab created by
Developer.
here developer is known as what? Custom tab. Example, students, employees, courses, doctors, patients, nurses, or no? Many things. They all comes under what here? Custom tab. The point is clear now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And what is the third one here? S object. What is the meaning of S object? What is the meaning of an S object? Does anyone know about database?
Yes,
Either
sir.
Oracle
Yes, sir.
or SQL Server?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is anyone know about database? Database point of view. What is this, guys?
Tables.
Table.
Collection of tables.
Table.
Similar tables.
Database can be called as table. Database contains table. What is table?
Table
Where
is
we have
collection of row and
columns.
column.
collection.
Table is a place. It is a place where we can
Store the data.
store the information, where we can store the information permanently. It's a place where we can store the information. What is this?
Permanent.
Permanently in the form of what?
and
Rows
columns.
rows and columns.
Columns. Is known as what? Table.
Table.
Salesforce point of view, sorry, database point of view, we can call it as table. Salesforce point of view, we can call it as what? S object. Understand?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
I understand, sir.
So what is S object stands for?
Table.
Object stands for Salesforce object. That is nothing but a table. Understand, everyone? Again, in Salesforce, S objects are divided into how many types? We got
Customer.
2 types. What is the first one?
Standard.
Standard S object.
Customer.
The second one is what here?
Customer as such.
S object. Standard S object means any S object given by whom here?
Sales.
Salesforce. Any S object created by developer Is called what? Customer subject.
Custom.
Or no? As per the business requirement. Same. Example. Standard subjects like what? 1 minute.
Under the campaigns.
Copy. And paste here. Observe carefully what I'm doing. Tell me what I'm doing here.
Yes.
I remove
Individual.
S. If you
Single.
remove S, that
Single.
becomes what?
Single.
This is what?
Singular.
Singular. So what is the difference between tab and subject? All the tab names are what?
Plural.
Plural names. All the subject names are what?
Singular.
Singular names. My point is clear now.
Yes, sir.
One question, Sai. Tab could have a combination of integration of multiple subjects, right?
No. One tab internally connected with only one subject. That is one-to-one
Oh.
relationship.
Oh.
One tab internally connecting with only one subject. It's a one-to-one relationship. One tab should not have multiple subjects. Understand everyone?
Yes,
Guys, can you hear me?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One tab connecting with only one subject. It's a one-to-one relationship here. Point is clear now? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Next, the customer subject. It is created by whom here?
Developers.
Developer. As per the business requirement. Understand everyone? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes.
Examples. Same. Please copy this. Nurse. What next? Patient. What next? Doctor. And what next? Course. Then next. Employee. Singular names, subject names. Plural names is what? Tab names. But how we can differentiate between the standard subject and customer subject? Listen carefully. Try to understand. We can differentiate standard subject and the customer subject is every standard subject. Sorry. Every customer subject ends with what? $_C. Point is clear now? Hello. Every customer subject ends with what? $_.
Is it compulsory to maintain that standard style?
Yeah, that is automatically ends with $_C. You don't need to maintain anything.
Okay.
Once we create the customer subject, it automatically ends with $_C. System automatically ends with $_C. You don't need to maintain. That is how we can do. That is only for identification purpose. Which is standard subject and which is customer subject. How we can differentiate?
C means
There's some
customer.
difference.
That means, okay.
There should be some difference. Yes or no? That is why every customer subject ends with what? $_C. That is called API name. What is this?
C.
API. API stands for Application Program Interface. Yes or no?
Yes.
Hello. API stands for Application Program Interface.
Interface.
Next one. What is the next one here? Speak out. Field. What is the meaning of field here? What is the meaning of field?
Column.
Field means what? It represents what? Value or data. Suppose for your understanding, 10155 written. What is 10155?
Data.
Information.
That is value, that is data. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Speak out.
Yes, sir. It
Yes,
is
sir.
data.
Okay. Is that number, is the numeric value represents employee ID? Can I say that employee ID?
Could
Yes,
be.
sir.
It could be. Or maybe customer's bank account number
Maybe.
Yes, sir.
might be. Or employee ID or student roll number from college point of view.
Yes, sir.
Or maybe passenger flight number, seat number. It could be anything, yes or no?
It
But
could be
nobody
anything
knows what
numeric.
exactly 10155 represents. It represents only what? A numeric value. That is why for understanding this value better way, okay, we have to use what?
Name.
We are writing something about this. What is this? EAD. Now
EAD.
everybody can tell what is 10155 represents.
Employee ID.
Earlier we don't know.
EAD.
Now
EAD
everybody
value.
knows. That is EAD. So this EAD represents what? Field. This represents what? Value. My point is clear. It represents what is this. And what is this here?
EID.
My point is clear now. Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
I.
sir.
Yeah, it's clear.
Suppose CD is there. CHIDA. Okay, what is this?
E-name.
The human name. Yes or no? It could be passenger name, it could be customer name, it could be employee name, it could be student name, it could be something else. Yes or no? But nobody knows what exactly that CD represents. Speak out.
Correct.
Hello. That is why, to avoid this confusion, I'm simply write what? E-name. So that everybody can easily understand that CD represents what? Speak out. Employee name. My
Employee.
point is clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Or no? Good. So that is all about what? Field. Field means what? Represents value. What is data? Data means it is a value. You can easily tell the answer. It is a value which stores
Fields.
against the, what is this?
Field.
Stores against the field is called what? Data. 10155. What is this?
Data.
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 Data. Okay, this data stores against this field. That is called what? Data.
Data.
So when data or value which stores against the field
Field.
or under the field, against the field or under the field, that can be called as data. What is record? Record means suppose salary. It is salary 90,000 rupees Indian currency. Sure, no, not TSC dollars. Okay, and hire date. And what is a hire date? Maybe 17 August 2007. That represents what? Date. No, 10155 CD 90,000 that year completely
Record.
represents what year?
Record.
Record. So record means horizontal what?
Collection of data.
Collection of data.
Date.
Horizontal collection of data can be called as what? Record.
Records.
Record can also be called as a tuple, or we can also call it as row. Row, record, tuple, everything is same. Clear, everyone?
Yes, I.
Yes, sir.
So this is data, this is record. Again, coming to field. Fields are divided into two types. Two types of fields. Understand? You can easily guess the answer. What is the first one?
Standard and custom.
Gender.
Standard field. And the second one is what here? Custom.
Custom field.
What is standard field? Standard field means it is created by
Provided
or it is given by whom?
Salesforce.
Campaign ID, campaign name.
Custom field, it is created by.
Developers.
Developers.
It is created by whom?
Developers.
Point is clear now. How we can differentiate between the standard field and custom field? Again, custom field ends with what? Double underscore C. Every custom field ends with what? $_C. Just like what? Custom S object. Understand? Here I need to tell one important point. Listen carefully, try to understand. We have 4 standard fields are there. How many? We have 4 standard fields. The first one is called owner, created by, last modified by, and name. So these are all how many standard fields? Speak out.
4 is standard.
Owner, created by, last modified by.
Name.
So now all of you understand all the 6 important words. Hello.
Yes, sir.
The first point we discussed, app.
Application.
Second point, tab.
Tags.
Third one
S
is
object.
S object.
Field.
fourth one is field.
Field. Data.
One is data.
Record.
One is record. Total how many
6.
important words are there that we need to understand first before we enter into Salesforce. So tomorrow I will discuss about how to create app, means custom app, how to create custom tab, how to create custom fields. Okay. All the navigation steps we are going to discuss in tomorrow's session. Understand everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Sure,
tomorrow
sure.
your class timing is 9 o'clock. 9 to 10. Is all of your formalities are completed or not?
No, sir, I'm not able to attend.
So please do it as soon as possible, guys. Maybe tomorrow onwards. Muskan, is the same link we are going to use tomorrow or differently?
So
Muskan,
like
are you
today, sorry, one question, sir. Like today, we may get the link 5 minutes before.
I didn't get you. What is that?
The link, Zoom link, we can get 5 minutes before start the class, right?
No, we are going to use the same link every day. Link has
Okay.
it is not going to change.
Oh.
Muskan, are you there? Muskan can hear me.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Muskan, is the same link we are going to use tomorrow or
Link will be changing actually, sir.
because tomorrow I'm going to club these 2 batches.
Yeah, link will be changing, sir, from tomorrow.
Okay, link will share by Muskan. Okay. Through mail you are going to send?
Yeah, link will be changing. We will be sharing the links to the paid students via mail, sir.
Okay, the rest of the people who are not, what we call, who are not complete your formalities and all, please do it for as soon as possible today. The link is going to change from tomorrow onwards. And everyone, Survi, Uma Narendra, Vaibhav Dikshit, Vijay Srinivas, everyone. Hello, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
The
sir.
link,
Sai.
the link will change tomorrow, okay? Please
Yes,
do it
sir.
fast as soon as possible. Thank you, guys. Tomorrow class timing is 9 o'clock.
Sir, I had one question.
Yeah.
Sir, will you be covering Aura as part of these classes or not?
Aura also covered.
Okay.
Aura also covered. Okay, fine, guys. I'll catch you tomorrow. Same 9 o'clock, not 8 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Okay, 9 to 10.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, can you explain the governor limits? What is the governor?
Regarding the governor limits, we will discuss at time of batch apex topic.
Batch at which topic?
Batch apex.
Batch. Okay, sir.
The development, one of the concept name is called batch apex. I wrote here.
Okay.
Okay. I will explain about governor limits here in batch apex.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
And one
guys.
more thing is like, can you reduce the speed, sir? I mean,
Yeah, today I went speed. Why? Because I went fast, I know. Because I need to cover so much subject. That is the reason. But tomorrow onwards, I'm going very slow.
okay.
Understand?
Yeah.
Only today I went. I know. I went fast. Okay, guys.
Sir, when
Understand
we will get the recordings?
Sorry, come again.
Sir, when we will get the recordings? I've completed the
Muskan,
format.
please ask to Muskan. Muskan is going to share the recordings.
Yeah, we have shared the. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have shared the paid students the Google Drive access.
The people who paid the fees, only those people will receive the recordings. Google Drive.
There looks like they are old classes recording, I believe.
Which
I
classes?
think we need old classes, I think. Yes.
Old classes yesterday she already shared, na?
That link I don't have. So it was
Yesterday
shared by
she shared the link. See. Sir, no, Muskan. Yesterday, I hope you shared the link.
Yeah, yes, sir. And even the paid student are sent the Google Drive access, sir. You need to check in the shared with me folder in your Google.
The people who paid the fees, please check your Google Drives. She already shared the recordings. Guys, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. I am seeing, sir, there nothing has been shared with.
Please refresh your Google Drive, then you can see. You please refresh your Google Drive.
Sir, will the class timing be 9 to 10 for tomorrow only, or will it be 9 to 10 every day?
So is it 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock is okay for you?
No, sir, 8 will be fine.
SMA also it is fine. I'm not able to attend class 9 to 10.
Okay. I will inform you. Give me some time. By today afternoon, we'll inform you. Is it 9 to 10 or 8 to 9? Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Is there any evening batch?
Evening batch very soon. I'm going to start at evening 6 o'clock.
Okay. Okay.
PM I will
Thank you.
start in the batch.
Can I merge in that evening batch once
Why
it is
not? You
started?
please attend morning time. Okay. Once the new batch is going to start at evening, I will inform you. You can join the batch. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
But you please continue in this batch only.
Yes.
Very soon I will start. I will inform you.
Okay.
Yeah, hello, Muskan. There's nothing in the Google Drive.
and also, can you share us this notepad as well, sir, the running class?
Running class I will share you, but I'm going to create a separate group for your batch. Then I will share the recordings. Okay.
Okay.
So
Sure.
tomorrow I will create a separate group, WhatsApp group. Okay now. In that group, I will share the link. I'll share the notes.
Sure.
Okay, guys.
Sorry, in my drive, so there is nothing, sir. I have seen many times.
Muskan, some people not received the. Did you pay the fees?
Yeah. Yesterday only, sir, completed.
What is your name?
Sir, Chandan.
Sorry?
Chandan.
Chandan. Oh, Chandan, you are from West Bengal.
Yeah, sir.
I spoke with you.
Yeah.
Oh. Muskan,
Yeah,
can you hear me?
Yeah, you can drop your mail ID in the
Please
chat
share your
box.
email ID. Please share your email ID in the chat box so that she can share the recordings. Chandan.
Yeah, sir.
Hello, sir. One question,
Yes, William, go ahead.
is there anything existing batch previous which you're covering up right now? So we can cover the developer part as well along with this batch.
Now, you want to simultaneously select in 2 batches?
Yes, means if it is in the starting phase of the development, so that we can join that batch also. Like we're working and we wanted to cover this course as early as possible. So if it's in that stage, so we can join that batch also if in our time matches with that.
Evening batch, can you come down at 7 o'clock, 7 p.m.?
That will be hard, means it's on our working.
Because that is the only batch which
is
started development.
Recently started.
But sir, can we have the recording of those batches?
Yes, sir.
That I don't know. You have to ask the Durga management.
Okay.
Don't know.
Sir, I received one link, sir, but it is not of materials and videos. It is showing, it is taking to the website of DURGASOFT. That's it.
Muskan, which link you shared to them? Muskan. Muskan can hear me. Hello. Muskan can hear me.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Somebody have some doubt here, please.
Yeah, Muskan, I received one link. It is taking me to the DURGASOFT website, not to the drive where we have these materials and videos.
Did you pay the fees?
Yes, sir, I paid.
And please share your email ID right now in the chat group.
Okay.
We'll share the recording.
Okay.
Yeah, actually, you need to visit the Google Drive.
Open the Google Drive first. Check your Google Drive.
1 second, sir.
And also please refresh it. Okay, guys. I'll catch you tomorrow. And I'll inform you the time. Is it 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock? Okay.
Yeah, sure, sir. Sure.
But please complete the formalities as soon as possible today itself. Okay. Thank you.
There is no videos, sir. I have reshared.
What is your name?
Uma Narendra Pawan.
Mr. Pawan, do you have DURGASOFT number?
Yes, yes.
Please directly contact with him or the
Okay,
phone.
sir.
He will guide you.
Okay, sir.
Thank
Yeah.
you.